Alright, so what's cracking, y'all? This is Cooking with Creeper, Tales from the Creep. Um, we got some cooking stuff for y'all today. We're gonna do a little bit different. We already got some in the grill. Now, I already put that. I was making baby back ribs with some carne that's already marinated from Red Apple here in Ontario, Oregon. Shout out to them. So, this is what we got going on right now. Let me flip the camera. You know what I'm saying? And then those are the baby back ribs, and they are baby back ribs, as you can see. But the difference is they have more meat on them than anything, and they're all from Walmart. And it's more, you get the bang for your buck on that one right there because it's got more meat, obviously. So, and the thing about it is, what I'm gonna do for y'all is I'm gonna grab all this meat from Walmart. I'm gonna cook it all and let you know what they be putting in this shit, what they be, whatever it is. I'm gonna be the one that's gonna cook this shit, let you know how it tastes. If I get sick, fuck it better than even y'all, but it's for y'all. So, we're gonna cook these here in a little bit as well. These ain't too bad. You can pour beer on them. It depends how you want to cook them. No big deal. And you want to ask me why I'm wearing all this shit? It's fucking cold. It's fucking cold. Ain't that cold, but it's there. And then we got these motherfuckers cooking right here too as well. So, of course we got these as well. And with the small pack, I don't want to do too much. This is just a little sample of what I'm doing. Fucking, if you guys want me to cook some other shit, let me know. Respond. Like, subscribe, share. Tales from the Creep. Carnivore Champ. So, you let me know what you want me to cook. I'll fucking make it. And I'll let you know what it tastes like, how to cook it, and make sure it tastes to its full potential so it don't taste like shit. Or nor you fucking burn it either. But right now, this meat's looking a little scrumptious. You know what I'm saying? So, by the way, I will be doing deep fried. Stay tuned for that. I'm just trying to get this channel off and see what it's all about. First time right here. Give me some props. Don't be shitting on me too much, motherfuckers. So I know everybody shits on everybody out there and whatever. But I flipped these motherfuckers over right here for y'all. Just so y'all know. So at the same time, we got the ribs cooking too. And no, the sauce on the ribs doesn't get on the meat. So, gotta throw some jams. What we got now? Then I gotta shut it for a temperature thing, no big deal. 3 burner. It's nothing too much. Regular propane tank. Just the amateur shit. Let me get it together and you'll see the nice one coming soon. Like I said, I'm just barely getting this shit off, so we'll see what's cracking. Gotta watch out for this meat though. Should be sensitive as hell. I ain't trying to burn it. Maybe I sound like an idiot. And know that I do cook in the winter. Snow, fucking rain. I'll cook next to a volcano. Fucking tornado can be coming down the street. I'm still cooking. I don't give a fuck. Shit. Lightning can strike my motherfucking grill so I can, boom, get those burners on like that without having to use a little flickering thing, you know what I'm saying? I know that I'll be deep frying in the winter, same shit, you know? Tsunami could be coming my way. Fuck, I'm on the roof cooking. You know, shit. I'm prepared. I've been doing this for a while already. Trying to give it a try on the internet and see what the fuck's cracking and see what y'all think. We also can't let you forget that if y'all want to comment, say some shit or whatever, feel free, do what you gotta do. Give me some tips too on y'all. Y'all give me some tips. I'll take this in consideration and, you know, do what I could do. You know what I'm saying? So, we will be making menudo, pozole, everything. Don't even trip. Y'all want me to cook some shit that I've never cooked before, which I pretty much cooked a lot, but I haven't cooked everything. Let me know and I'll fucking make it and I'll try it too. Can't be grow shit though. You know, that takes the fun out of it, you know what I'm saying? But right here, look, this is cracking right here. Shit's already done. These right here, let them marinate on the rack, you know what I'm saying? So they're fucking a little bit more. Then after that, you flip this bitches over, do your own thing, you know what I'm saying? So right now, this meat's already done. It's gonna come out real fucking good. And this is only a mini session too, this thing. Big or whatnot. Okay, so right here, this is what's cracking off. These right here, we're gonna leave them in the package on the grill. So that way, all the fucking juice stays in them. You know what I'm saying? And it just tastes a lot better like that. It don't taste all funky or whatnot. I'm getting fucking dirty, but fuck it. So we're gonna leave them just like that. Now it's time for these fucking bad bitches. You know, ain't nothing to it. Just fucking toss them on like you would a hot dog. Ain't nothing to it. And this is just the mini one too. Normally I make asparagus, fucking corn, shit, potato, you don't even know. But like I said, I haven't cooked everything. Right. Throw another gem on, man. These gems be freaking Friday and shit. Ain't got nothing playing. What is going on? And I don't own no copyrights to these fucking songs. Let's get that straight right now. Damn, you're a little mad in the beginning, ain't he? I ain't looking too shabby. Ain't looking too shabby. This is where I flip the ribs. Remember, I'm just an amateur, so I'm trying to get my shit together. So rag on your boy too bad. Put some respect on it. We'll be back.